So today we're working on a Briggs & Stratton Pro mower. We're going to be doing the oil change on it. Before we get started, I would like to advise you to at least run your mower for a good 10 minutes or so. Get that oil warmed up and loosen out throughout the motor. That way when you're pouring it, it actually pours out kind of more of a loose liquid. Anyhow, we're going to begin by taking a look at the oil. See if we can see that. Very black. So it's time for that oil change. Anyhow, we be using 10W30 motor oil. And then we have the oil pan. If you notice on a lot of mowers, they have this little dip right here. I guess that kind of helps the oil kind of strain into the right area. So we're going to begin by actually just tipping the mower over towards me. And then we're gonna loosen this oil drain plug here. And then we'll just completely turn it over this way. It's probably not going to drain too much. Usually it does about half a quart, maybe even less than half a quart. So see, the oil is very, very dark. Not good. So we'll let that drain for at least a good 10 minutes. Okay, so pretty much everything has drained out of the mower. So we're gonna go ahead and tip this back to its regular position. So you can see there wasn't much oil. I would say that's probably way less than a quart. Wipe off the top up here. Don't leave any messes. Remember, you want to pour at least about half a quart into it, and then check it with your dipstick. Make sure that you don't overfill it. Make sure that there's not too much oil in there. So right there it's saying to add some more. We'll let that go down a little bit. And you want to probably do this oil change at least once a year, depending on how big your lawn is and how much you actually mow and use your mower. So right there is right at full, so we're going to go ahead and leave that there. My recommendation as far as oil, I'd probably use the synthetic 10W30 instead of the regular 10W30, because the synthetic actually lasts longer. And that's it. This should probably take you about 10 minutes to do.